Learn English with Emma.
Hello, I am Emma. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn English through a heartwarming story, vocabulary explanation, and a quiz. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello, I am Emma. Spring is coming, which means it's time to start planting. Last year, my kids and I planted various vegetables in our backyard garden. From this experience, I learned some valuable lessons. Parenting and gardening share many similarities. Both require hard work, patience, experimentation, guidance, and forgiveness. At the end of last March, we began by starting seeds indoors. My daughter Luna used a pencil to poke holes in the soil, and I dropped seeds into them and covered them with soil. Then, my son Leo labeled the trays. We planted cucumbers, tomatoes, beans, and eggplants, taking each step with patience and care. Every morning, as soon as they woke up, the kids eagerly checked to see if the seeds had sprouted. After the last frost, we transplanted the seedlings from the trays to our raised garden beds. The sprouts were delicate, so we gently firmed the soil around the roots and watered them carefully. After we moved them, the kids kept asking me when the tomatoes would grow big and ripe for picking. They were excited about when we could harvest them. I told them about the different growth stages of plants and what they need to thrive. However, we encountered some challenges along the way. One morning, when I went to water the plants, I noticed that the bean plants had drooping stems and leaves, which meant overwatering. It turned out Leo had been adding extra water every afternoon, thinking it would speed up growth. I explained to Leo that while plants need water, we should give them just the right amount, not too much or too little. Leo felt sorry for his mistake, so I reassured him that we could replant some. I also comforted him that it was okay to make mistakes if we could learn from them. In addition, I explained that different plants have different needs. Some like more water, while others do not. By mid-August, we had a plentiful harvest. I prepared a feast with the vegetables from our backyard. The kids enjoyed the food they helped grow and felt really proud of what they did. Through this, we learned that plants need water and sunlight, but we also need to treat them differently based on what they like. It's the same with raising kids. We have to understand what they need and help them grow in their own special way.
Let's recap the vocabulary we learned above.
Label. To fasten a label to. Then, my son Leo labeled the trays. Tray. A flat container, usually with slightly raised edges, typically used for carrying food and drink, or for holding small items. Then, my son Leo labeled the trays. Sprout. To produce leaves, hair, or other new developing parts. The kids eagerly checked to see if the seeds had sprouted. Transplant. To move something or to be moved from one place or person to another. We transplanted the seedlings from the trays to our raised garden beds. Seedling. A very young plant that has grown from a seed. We transplanted the seedlings from the trays to our raised garden beds. Delicate. Needing careful treatment, especially because easily damaged. The sprouts were delicate, so we gently firmed the soil around the roots. Harvest. To pick and collect crops, or to collect plants, animals, or fish as food. They were excited about when we could harvest them. Stage. A part of an activity or a period of development. I told them about the different growth stages of plants and what they need to thrive. Thrive. To grow, develop, or be successful. I told them about the different growth stages of plants and what they need to thrive. Stem. A central part of something from which other parts can develop or grow. The bean plants had drooping stems and leaves. Plentiful. If something is plentiful, there is a lot of it available. By mid-August, we had a plentiful harvest. Feast. A special meal with very good food, or a large meal for many people. I prepared a feast with the vegetables from our backyard.
Now it's quiz time. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Question 1. Reorder the following steps of planting in the correct order. A. Transplant seedlings. B. Label the trays. C. Firm the roots with soil carefully. D. Put seeds in the soil. Question 2. Which one has the same meaning with the word delicate? A. Fragile. B. Durable. C. Fancy. D. Tasty. Question 3. Why did the bean plants die in the story? A. They didn't get enough sunlight. B. They were watered too much. C. They were planted too close together. D. They were planted too late in the season.